Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Enki-Learn to Code application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile button at the lower right corner of the screen, and in the Your Experience section you can find the Settings option. Scroll down and here you can find the last option, the Delete Account. And here you can select why are you deleting your account, and just select one and click that, and click to the yes delete account button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.